offers a wide range of powerful features that make it one of the most popular and widely used programming languages today. Here are some key features that make Python stand out. The first one is easy to learn and use. Python's simple readable syntax is easy to grasp, especially when compared to the languages like C, C++, or Java. This makes it an excellent choice for beginners. The second one is object oriented programming. Python supports object oriented programming, enabling developers to write modular, reusable, and maintainable code with ease. Third one is GUI programming support. With frameworks like tkinter or Kinter, PyQt, and others, Python allows developers to build interactive and user-friendly desktop applications effortlessly. Fourth one is dynamic memory allocation. Python handles memory management automatically, allowing developers to focus on solving problems without worrying about the memory allocation. The fifth one is rich library and framework ecosystem. Python provides a vast collection of libraries and frameworks such as NumPy, Pandas, Django, and Flask, which helps to solve the problems in domains ranging from data science to web development. The last one is versatility across domains. Python is truly versatile language used in web development, machine learning, data analysis, automation, scientific computing, and more.